Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is how we can control the myopia. Myopia is the inability to see the long distance and may induce the vision impairment for the distance vision and may induce the retinopathy, maculopathy and other problem as well. So how we can control? The first of all, we have to educate ourselves regarding how we can prevent and how we can control the myopia. Basically need to create the awareness. So the second thing, get your kids outside. As we have seen, the kids who are staying indoors more likely to have the myopia compare who's staying outside, because once you are staying inside you will induce the myopia by excessive near work. So we have to keep looking our children so they will spend more time outside for biking, trekking or doing some outdoor activities. So and third thing, you have to find the right doctor or the right optometrist who can really find out the myopia and can give you the exact prescription as per your need and for your glasses, contact lenses, and may recommend you the good thing what you exactly needed. So the fourth thing is to prevent and to control the myopia is start early. So the best way is to control, we have to start in the earlier stage to just to prevent the progression of myopia. As if you or your spouse may are using the eyeglasses, so there is a possibility if your children have the myopia. So as earlier, if they are young, you can go for the eye checkup to find out if they are having the myopes, so that it will not go further and you can control the progression of the myopia. And so the fifth point is reduce eye strain. So we have seen people will induce the myopia either because of the genetic or the environmental factor. So as we have seen, the more teenagers who are spending more time on the digital devices, they have the more chances to induce the myopia. And as we have seen in the clinic, they can see, the teenagers, they can see far but they cannot see for the reading because of the excessive near work or because of the using the digital devices, and that cause the eye strain and they cannot able to see very well. This can be treated by the vision therapy. So while the children they are using the digital devices, we can recommend to take the rest after 20 minutes, blink the eyes so that we can reduce the eye strain. Eye strain may induce the myopia. And the sixth point is don't ask for the undercorrection, because there is a myth like people they are thinking like we have to go for the undercorrection if you have the myopia. You have to consult with your eye care practitioner what power you exactly need it, because you have to go for the full correction just to avoid the further myopia progression. And the seventh point is orthokeratology. This is the special kind of contact lenses, that is hard contact lenses, that is also found it reduces the progression of the myopia. In this we have to use it overnight, and in the next day you can see without the glasses. So it is helpful to reduce the progression of myopia, and we have seen it reduces the progression of myopia. And the next point, the eighth point, is multifocal contact lenses is also have seen in the studies it can reduce the progression of the myopia. You can ask your eye care practitioner if it's going to suit for your age or your prescription. And the ninth point is the atropine. Atropine is a drug that is using to reduce the progression of the myopia. And the last point, not the least, as number 10, avoid the scam of myopia. In that, because some website and some software is showing there is a special glasses that can reduce or that can eliminate your prescription. You can go, if you are you will purchase that kind of glasses, they will eliminate your prescription. So that is not true. You have to consult your qualified optometrist to get your eye glasses, your prescription, contact lenses, and your orthokeratology, the lenses, ortho K lenses, atropine, whatever. So hope you will like my video. So thank you very much.